what? I thought you didn't like that bread, and that bread
I like it, but we can't make it waste.
so good. Mom, well, eat the bread that you like. Don't you like the other one? Hi, Mommy?
Which one?
The potato one. Good morning, guys. I don't know what day this is off the vlog that you guys are about to see. Mom, did they just bring some rocks? Oh no, it's natural gas. Guys, we are going. Mom's going to work, and then I'm gonna get her lunch, and then I'm gonna go get an oil change. Is this light green? Oh.
You have no torch and highlight, you can't see.
There's one up here.
You just see that one?
There's I came to this place or whatever. It's right here, Mommy. This restaurant. So I'm in the restaurant waiting. First of all, I'm waiting for a while, but I was really hungry. Yeah, it was last summer, right? So the guy's like serving. It's like a husband and wife place, and the guy's serving, and he's in the kitchen eating the fries off the plate.
What a workless. I said, I'm frying them in a current too nasty. You can't do that.
I'm like, and it's an open kitchen, so how they're cooking, you can see that they're cooking, which I like. But he picks up the fries and puts it in his mouth and then wipes off the thing. I'm like, these people. I'm like, yeah.
No idea, nobody knows. We're gone somewhere, we can go along.
You're unruly too. Wait till you and Dad, you know those, you ever see those kids where they have the leashes on them? Please tell me you've seen them.
I don't like to see it.
I think it's the stupidest thing.
I
and
like to see it.
I don't like it. Right, like on a leash. But some of them needs a damn leash because they can't. Sometimes when you have one mom, you see one mom and has 5 kids and the dad's nowhere. I'm putting my kids on a leash. I don't like to see it, but
also when me did, they put them on a leash.
Mom, so what? They're gonna run away from me?
They're not go broke. So I will be all them grow them, I will be all them broke them.
Okay, so
if you have manners, when I say sit down, if you know, so if you sit down. You can't got 2-year-old and 3-year-old and 4-year-old like you. When you say sit down, you not sit down. To clap on your ass in pass when you sit down.
Mom, but up here they will call the cops. It's not like Jamaica where you.
But then call the cops for me him. I mean our best for him. But then call it.
Mom, you have to.
When the police come and say for your pitney. But if you got no pitney then I grow up here. I take them and can go to Jamaica, we can slap them.
I told you I want my kids to, if I have kids I want them to grow up in Jamaica. I would just want them to go to college up here. That's the only thing.
I slap them on their ass.
That's the only thing. So Mom, you would take my kids and well, I would want them to go to school down there.
Then
I would just want them to go to college here.
Then they answer them parents. What? 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 You're mad, man.
Yeah. Mom, but it's like, I don't know. Your first child. But when you have your first child, if you don't have no direction and you, like, you know, I'm gonna whisper somebody, I'm gonna tell you somebody, they had their first child, you know them too. They had their first child, and I would probably do the same thing. You have your first child, and you say yes to everything, and you give them everything. It's your first child, you know what I mean? And then after, it bites you in the ass because they take advantage of you, and they don't understand no because it's always yes.
Don't want me mad out, make me sip it one on no manners.
Guys, so I'm about to grab my mom some food, and then I'm gonna get my oil change, and I'm sleeping over at my friend's house. I'm sleeping over my friend's house tonight, so I'm gonna go home and I have an interview. When's my interview? I think I have an interview tomorrow. Let me see. Yeah, so let me go get food really quick. This place don't even look like it's freaking open. Let me just get this food for my mom, drop it off. I'm gonna stay at my mom's job for a little bit until because the guy told me to come like between 12:30 and 1. So yeah. May I just have a number 5, please? So hi guys, I just came home and I ate, and now I'm about to shower in a bit and get ready to go to my friend's house because I'm sleeping over. Don't mind my room, it's like a little bit empty, but I'm gonna do a room tour for you guys once I get all my stuff delivered. Like my bed frame is coming, and I have to find a nightstand, and I found a lamp that I really like. And then I'm getting a light installed in my room, because like throughout the house there's ceiling lights, and then we have those like special, I don't know if you call them like crescent, like they're like in, it's not like a chandelier or anything, but they're like in the ceiling or whatever. Yeah. So I know a few of you guys had questions about my online stores. So pretty much I just updated Island Girl Luxe, and Island Girl Luxe is pretty much an accessories website right now. It's just updated with, you guys see, right now it's just updated with new accessories. It's all necklaces. So everything is pre-order, guys. So if you want to order something, all the orders will be shipped out the end of May. So if you would like something and you want your order to be shipped out by the end of May, then order from now to then. So we have the Jamaica flag with like the Jamaica underneath, the outline of Jamaica with the Jamaican colors, and this is so cute. It's just the outline with a little heart. And then if you guys look at my intro, this is like the same kind of symbol that it has, and I love this one. And then I just added this one, which it says Jamaica with like a little heart in a circle. Yeah, so that is Island Girl Luxe. Then I have Digital Entrepreneur, which is if you're trying to start your own business and you need vendors. I sell vendor lists. So we have the clothing vendors, the drop shipping, which means if you don't want to ship out the hair, you just want to take orders and have the company ship out the hair for you, then I have that one. The Mink Lash, if you want to start your own lash line. The beauty and cosmetics line, if you want to start your own beauty line. And then the wholesale vendor list, if you are like trying to get into like the hair business with everything, this is like the biggest vendor list. You have mink lashes, you have wigs, you have virgin hair, like it's so much in this list. So that's why this one is $200. But yeah, so this is the other one, and then this is digitalentrepreneur.bigcartel.com. So hey guys, I've been home for a little bit, and usually on Mondays I like cook some stuff for my mom to bring to work during the week, like the meat, and then she'll cook everything else, because I really can't cook that well, like rice and stuff, like I can't. So I bought this pasta thing, thinking that she could bring some pasta to work, and maybe I'll make this and put some of the chicken in there really quick. So it's this box, and then if you see, they have like chicken in it, so maybe I'm gonna make this today. Yeah, so I'm gonna cook some chicken. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has ordered from Island Girl Luxe. I am so appreciative and so thankful for everybody that has ordered or said that you guys are gonna order. And I'm wearing 2 of the necklaces, so pretty much, guys, can you see? So it's just the Jamaica outline, and I have like different designs, and they're all on Island Girl Luxe, and the description box should have the link as well. I'm just like always a little bit nervous about like doing new things, even though I've had an online store for a while, and then I had put it down. I had shut it down because of school and work. I just didn't have the time to like process the orders and stuff like that. But now I have like a rhythm where I'm just doing pre-order. So basically you have until now, until almost the end of May for all the shipments to go out. So I'm just gonna do like one big shipment, and I think that's how I'm gonna be doing my orders from now. If you need something like overnight or something, then definitely like send me an email. I can do that. But right now I'm just doing pre-order. And so far a lot of you guys have sent in your orders for me, so thank you so much. And send me a picture of the items that you buy, like you wearing it, so I can put it on my Instagram. I completely bought the wrong chicken. I meant to buy chicken breast and I bought like the tenders. Oh,